Welcome back. As a part of this video, we'll understand data migration testing. How AI can complement the rule-based automation in data migration testing. Data migration testing, as did the data migrate safely. This could be SQL Server to Snowflake or legacy CRM to a new CRM or on-premises to the cloud data lake move. Migration testing reconciles the source and target across the platforms, applications, and warehouses. The goal here is to make sure data has not been lost, not been corrupted, or changed incorrectly, or left behind. So how do you validate this manually? Traditionally, migration testing uses row counts, SQL comparisons, and sample checks before and after the migration. The problem with the migration is it is one time high effort exercise around a cutover event. If something slips through the cutover, there may not be another routine pipeline run tomorrow to reveal it. So you got to be really careful. What is our thought on rule-based automation or AI? Our thought process says automation first and AI for exceptions. For migrations, rule-based automation is extremely strong. We can compare the row counts, we can use the hashes and checksums, perform the field level comparisons, validate the data type and format changes, because migration is a bounded event. Full reconciliation is often achievable. So where can AI help here? If there are any mismatches in the rule-based automation, then AI can cluster the discrepancies, detect if there are any recurring patterns, prioritize high-risk anomalies, and support the root cause as well. So the model is automation proves whether the migration matches. AI helps explain why it does not.
That's all for now. Like and subscribe and turn on notifications for future videos. Thank you.